reach Miss Thompson.
Yeah, man, give me
It now reach Miss Thompson, Jai. Too much people away forget banana.
You do understand, man.
Guys, look at fresh mint. Green banana, just picked, freshly picked mint with green banana. I can't wait to cook this organic green banana, just taken out of the ground, the mint and the green banana. That's the kind of life I love, guys. Guys, the beach. Look at the water. Hear the waves. Woo! Guys, I can't wait for wet my foot. Woo! Oh my god! Ah, it's cold. Ah. Oh my god! I'm going out, guys, so I can't afford to get wet. Woo! But I'll do this later when I get back. But I had to find the beach. Oh! Look at the water. Look at the water. Ooh. Ah! Oh my god, look. Oh. Guys, I'm going out, but I can't wait to come and get wet, and I have to find a pool. Guys, I'm excited. I am excited. And just in case you're not sure where you're at, it's Faithlin Foods Variety. Okay? Faithlin Foods Variety. So subscribe and, comment down below and give the video a thumbs up. And I'm in Jamaica. Jamaica. Yes. Jam down. Faithlin Foods Variety over here, guys. I'm in Jamaica, and the sand. Whoa! I'm getting my foot. Oh, let me get you to see my feet. Ah, the waves. But guys, the seaweed in this but seaweed or no seaweed, guys, I'm gonna get. Whoa! I'm gonna get look. Can you see? Okay, let me turn the back end of the camera to see if I can get a better. Let me do a 360. Oh, I don't want to lose my slippers here. Let me do a 360. A 360 out by Bayside, guys. Bayfront Villa. Like, this place is really nice, and I'm gonna find the pool. I'm not in my bathing suit as yet, but I can't wait to get wet. So guys, I have to go out, and get some things done on the road. I had to walk and find the beach, how far it is from where we're staying, and I found it, but this water is not clear, and all the seaweed. But anyway, it doesn't matter. The host told us that there is a pool somewhere, and I suppose it's probably over there. But I'll do that later, because I have some things to do, but I had to get wet. This is healing. Right? Healing for the body, mind, and soul. Getting your feet wet in salt water. So guys, you want to see the pebbles? The rock of ages. Look, that's a seaweed. And I'm gonna head back to my place of abode and get back to you guys. But I'm gonna find the pool later. I can't wait to do that. I love like the salty scent of the beach. The saltiness. Hi, do you know where the pool is? Okay, thank you. See guys, Jamaicans are so kind. That guy, he told me the pool is over there. And I'm supposed he was happy to talk to me. That log, I'm gonna go sit on it. But not today, as I said, I have things to do. So maybe later, you know. Or the day, and look at this guy's cleaning by the pool. And see that man, he's taking suntan. Wow, guys, the life. The life, we all should do this someday. We all should take time out to soak up the sand, the sun, the what, the scent from the beach. You know, that beachy scent, not raw. It's salty and it's beachy. And oh my God, guys, I hope the pool water is warm. It better be warm because I hate when I'm, you know, soaking myself up. I guess this is a kiddies waiting pool. And then, or waiting or waiting. Waiting or waiting. This is the kids, I suppose. Hold on, I zoomed in. Let me go back to original. Yeah, that's the kids, and then this is adult. Adult. Okay, let me touch the water to see if it's warm. Let me put my foot. Look at that man over there soaking up the sun, playing Bob music, Bob Marley. When I used to sit in a government yard in Trenchtown. Oh, nice. Not too cold. Not too cold, guys. But I'm gonna get my bathing suit on later, and I'll keep you up to date. Guys, I love this. I love this kind of living. Oh my God, this feels good, guys. The pool. The pool. The pool. No woman, no cry. Ooh, can't wait to come back and do this. Government yard in Trenchtown. Ooh. $360. 360 turn here. All right. Guys, I'll fill you in on more later. Okay? I'll fill you in on more later. Alrighty? Alrighty? Thumbs up. And, you know, you can comment. So guys, Faithland Foods Variety here, over here in JA, Jamaica, my beautiful island. Island in the sun. Guess what, guys? I tried the, have you ever tried the Sorrel Red Stripe beer? It is so refreshing. I don't drink, but it's good. And I was told that there's other flavors such as lime, and I'm not sure what other flavor there are. There are other flavors that you could try, but the Sorrel one tastes good. I usually see it in Canada and didn't really care to try it, but it was good. So guys, I'm having my cheese patty, and look what I have to box off. these mangoes. One is Julie, and I think this one is yeah, Julie mango. Not sure. I think this is either black mango maybe, or Hayden. I don't remember. But I'm gonna box off these mangoes. Time to eat my mango. Sweet, really sweet. Mm. Guys, these mangoes are so sweet. Mm-mm. The mangoes are like sweet milk. This looks like what? Is this Hayden mango? Mmm. Mm-mm. Sweet. This is the life I love, guys. This is the life I love, to sit and eat fruit. So guys, it's time to eat my, what is this called? Julie mango. Julie mango. Mm. Mm-mm. I miss this life, guys. I miss this life. Sitting and eat fruit. Mm. Good. Julie mango. Guys, I miss this life. I miss sitting and eating fruits. This is the life for me. Someone is saying good evening. Jamaicans are friendly, guys. Jamaicans are friendly people. Guys, this is one of the reasons why I like Jamaica. You know why? Because, you know, someone will just go and pick mango for you. You don't have to go buy it, right? Someone will say, we can go pick some mango for you off of the tree, you know. So good. So good. I miss those days. I miss these things about Jamaica. You don't have to worry about, oh, you have to go there to buy a mango or go there to buy green banana. The green banana and the mangoes were picked, right? I didn't have to go buy them. It feels so good. I didn't have to not even buy them, but pay for them. The night is coming down, guys, and I need to turn the lights on. But catch up with you later, okay? Bye. Guys, you see that light on the hill, guys? Guess what it is? It's a cross. I think it's so cute. It's a cross. I really love that, man. I'm trying to zoom in to see if I can. It looks, you see that light? It's a cross, like, you know, a cross in a church. It is so cute. I think that's really neat, whoever did it, on the hills of Jamaica. See that light, guys? Over there on the hills, it's a cross, as in church. I think that is so cute on the hills of Jamaica. Really neat. I can't pick it up clearly, but it's a cross, like a cross in red, and then there's like a dot on the top. A bright light. So guys, I'm not gonna wet my feet now because I'm going out, but I'm just waiting for my ride. So I'm kind of like scouting the area where I will be taking a dip. I don't want to go in the sand today because, you know, my slippers is gonna get sandy. And this beach, seaweed. Lots of seaweed, guys, but you know, it's not far from where I'm staying, which is good. You can just walk it 2 minutes. 2 minutes from where I'm staying to the beach and the pool area, which is so convenient. You don't have to be, you know, waiting for a ride to go to the beach. I love that. Look at those people on that boat, and there's that big ship over there. Isn't that cool? And the guys are working in the area, guys. So guys, I can't wait to come and soak myself up in some water. Notice that guy sun tanning. He's been playing Bob Marley song. The guy that was taking the suntan. Oh my god, this feels good, guys. The pool. The pool. The pool. No woman, no cry. Ooh, can't wait to come back and do this.